Guys, welcome back to Chemchris TV. Good to have you here. So let's look at what JAMB Maths online class. So if you are writing mathematics in the upcoming JAMB, then you want to watch it to the end of this video because when you take note, one particular topic JAMB normally ask in the exam, and so many students find this topic issues. So I'll be using this video and next video to cover everything about what indices. Just and so you want to was stick to the end of this video. Just that. The next thing you want to, the next thing I'm saying here is that if you are still having issues with your chemistry, if you are writing chemistry in the JAMB, then you are still having issues with majority of the topic and calculation in chemistry and organic chemistry, then I have a good solution for you because I've written a simple JAMB chemistry calculation secret code that will help you cover chemistry in less than 7 days if you really put more effort and you're really serious about it. Just we have our 50 days to go. Now, if you can take about 7 days to focus on this ebook and the videos, then in less than 7 days you can cover what your chemistry to what 80%, which is going to give you leverage to read other what subjects. Do you understand? So the video and the book itself combined together are packaged as one is 4,000 naira. So with 4,000 naira, you're getting the ebook that contains what the calculation aspect of chemistry and organic aspect of chemistry. Then the full tutorial videos. The videos are about 25 videos or jams. Just and so the combination of the two of them, you are good to go when it comes to what your chemistry. So if you really want to get that combo, that video playlist and the book itself, so you can leave a comment section that you need the book and the video itself. Do you understand? The book and the video itself, the unique payment is 4,000 naira. Do you understand? It's very, very cheap. Now look at something here. It's just an investment to your future. Do you understand? And it's going to be of help to you. Once you buy that book here, I'll be your personal mentor to guide you and help you in your understanding what chemistry. But for those of you who want to join our online class, we have a private online class for maths, chemistry, and physics where we learn on a constant basis. Do you understand? That online class is 15,000 naira. Once you sign up for that online class, this chemistry video and what the book is totally free. So it means that you're not paying. Do you understand? So those people who are in our private class, they are not paying this 4,000 naira because it's free for them. But if you only need the chemistry book and the video, fine, pay 4,000 naira. But if we want it for free, they can join our private group where we learn maths, chemistry, and physics. It's 15,000 naira. Do you understand? If they don't have the 15,000 naira and you are part of the payment, you can make payments so I can be added to the group chat. Then you follow to the end. Do you understand? Later you can make the complete payment. So, but this video here, let's focus on indices. So the first one to look at is the laws of indices. So in order for you to solve indices problem, these are the laws you need to follow. You need to follow. Do you understand? So look at what laws of indices. Laws of indices. Now the first law is what's called multiplication law. So here indices, this indices form. In this one only have a base and an index. Do you understand? So the first one is what called multiplication law. That is, if you have two indices with the same base multiplying together, so if two indices have the same base, right, and you're multiplying it together, what happens here? You take one of the base, and add the power. A plus B. This is called multiplication law. So when two indices have the same base, right? I am multiplying there. What happens here? You take the common base, right? You take one of the base and add the power. A good example is when you have 2 times 3 is okay equals what? Now these two are the two indices have the same base. It's going to be 2 plus 3. Do you understand? It's going to be 3 raised by 5. Do you understand? So that is what the first law you want to master here. Do you understand? Number 2 is the division law. The same thing here, just that the times the multiplication change to division. So you have a s raised by a divided by s raised by b. So what we want to do here is x a minus b. Do you understand? So if, for example, you have 3 raised by 3 divided by 3 raised by 2. Now, so you are going to take the common base, then 3 minus 2, you're going to be 3 raised by what? 1. Just as this is called what? This is called division law. So let me move to the next one. Let me move to the next one. Number 3 is what? Is power what? Law. For example, here we have x, a, and what? B. You understand? So it's called power law. Now here we have x. Here is power, here is what? Power. Do you understand? So when you open the bracket, it's going to be x a times b, which is going to be s a b. Do you understand? So a good example is when you have 3 2 raised by 3. Do you understand? So it's going to be what? 3 2 times 3 is going to be what? 3 raised by what? 6. This is called power what? Law. So that's what number what? 3. Number what? 3. Going to be product power law. Product power law. That which I want to explain to you. If, for example, you have x, y, z, always power what? 2. Just this is called product power law. Everything here is raised power 2. So if you open it here, it's going to be s raised power 2, y raised power 2, and what? Z raised power 2. Now, this power is affecting everything here. Just as it's called power product what? Law. Very, very important here. Then what? Number 4. Let's look at what? Number 5. Number 5, 0 index. 0 index. That is s raised power 0. Idea. So anything raised power 0 is what? Is always 1. Just anything is called 0 what? Index. So anything what raised power what? 0 is always what? 1. This is what you want to understand here. So we have what? 100, the raised power 0 is what? Is 1. You want to understand this here. Number 6, negative index. Negative what? Index. For example, here we have x raised power minus a. It's called negative what? Index. Do you understand? So you're going to be what? Now for you to remove this minus here, you're going to be 1 over what? S raised power a. It's called negative what? Index. So when an index has what? Negative index is like this here. So to remove this minus here, it's going to be 1 over what? S raised power what? A. Do you understand? So that is an inverse. So the answer like 1 over what? S A. It's going to be what? If you want to write it again, it's going to be S raised power minus what? A. Do you understand? It's called negative what? Index. So for example here, if I have something like this, 2 raised power minus 3. Do you understand? So how do I solve this thing? You're going to be 1 over what? 2 raised power 3, right? 2 raised power 2 is going to be 1 over what? 2 times 2 times 2. We're going to be 1 over what? 8. It's very important to understand this here. That's what number what? 6. That's what number what? 6. Now number 7, root power. Root what? Power. Root power. So we're going to be x 1 over what? A. Do you understand? It's called root power. So now going to be what? A. It's going to be a here. Here we have what? X. Do you understand? So just like when you have x raised to 1 over 2. Now it's only what? Square root of x, right? Square root of what? X. If I have something like this, x 1 over what? 3 is what? Cube root of what? Of x. Do you understand? And if I should have something like this, 1 x raised to 1 over what? 4 is what? Is fourth root of what? Fourth root of what? Of x. Right there. So this is called root power. So it can either be square root, cube root, fourth root, fifth root, depending on what is here. Do you understand? So that is what number what? 7. So the last one, which was number 8, fraction index. Fraction index. Fraction index. So you have x b over what? A. Idea. Now this one will always be as power. Just imagine when you have 1 here, right? So it's also the same thing as what? As root a x, right? Now if I should not have b here, good. It's now going to be P. Do you understand? So it's very, very important to take note of this one here. This one is always what the power here. But I want to solve a lot of problem using this what laws, using these various laws. I can what know how to what to apply them in what your calculation. So that you can see what to look at now. So now let's take the first set of questions. So this is going to be like a way to explain each of the laws, or yeah, laws of indices for you. Do you understand? Some of these questions you might see it in the what exam, but in my future video here, I'm going to solve more problem, difficult problem when it comes to what indices. So now let's get started here. Here we have 8 raised power 1 over 3. Now the first thing here is that can you break this thing down? Do you understand? If you can break it down, 8 is also take out 2 times 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 8. Right? 2 raised power 3. That is 8 is also take out 2 raised power 3. Right? Do you understand? So if you should break it down, that is these are going to be 2 raised power 3 raised power 1 over 3. Do you understand? So according to the what the power law, here we have 3 times 1 over 3. Do you understand? 3 cancel out 3, so the answer is 2. So that is the cube root of 8 is what? Is 2. That is meaning. Do you understand? Now the next one is what is going to be what B, right? It's going to be B. So how do you evaluate this guy here? So here we have 81 raised to 3 over 4, right? 81. Now, what rule is this? Please leave at the comment section. What rule is this? It's called fraction index. Fraction what index? Do you understand? That is the indices here is having what fraction index here. Do you understand? So that before you can evaluate here, ask yourself, can you break 81 down? Do you understand? Can you break 81 down? So let's see if you can break 81 down. 81 is equal to what? 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. Times 3 is what? 27. Times 3 is going to be what? 81. Do you understand? So 3 times that is 3 raised to power what? 4. Do you understand? So that is 81 is also seen that what 3 raised to power 4. So 3 raised to power 4. Then 3 over 4. Do you see that? So we should go to be what? 3 raised to power 4 times 3 over 4. So 4 cancel 4, right? So it will be 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 also the same as what? 3 times 3 times 3 is going to be what? 27. The answer is what? Is 27. So that is for this other one here. So let's evaluate this other one here. C. 27 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now, what is this rule here? This is called negative what index. Do you understand? This rule is called negative index. So it's like when you have something like this, a minus b. You also see that 1 over what? A b. Do you understand? So the first one to do here. So the first here is what? Is to remove what? This negative sign. So for you to remove this negative sign, you're going to do what? 1 over 2, 27 raised to 2 over 3. Do you understand? So the next is to base on that. Remember, 27 is always said out 3 times 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 is what? 27. So that is 27 going to be what? 3 raised to what? 3, right? So if you should do like that, so here we want to have 1 over what? 3 raised to 3. Then here we have 2 over what? 3. Can you see that? So what do you have here? In the what? Multiplication index products law. What are you going to get here? Or sorry, in the what? In the products law. What are you going to get? It's going to be 3 times 2 over 3, right? So this one cancel this one here. What do you have here? So here we're going to be 1 over 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. So what do you have here? 1 over 9. So the answer to this one here is what? 1 over 1 over 9. That is the answer. You get that? So see if you can try this one yourself. D. What is D? What is the answer to D here? You can solve that one yourself and leave it at the comment section. I want to see if you can really solve. Pause the video and leave the for me. I want to see if you get it. So I want to look at what E together. Let's look at what E together or break down E. So here we have 16 over 81. Here we have minus 3 over 4. Do you understand? So how do you remove what negative sign? Remember, if I have something like this, x over y raised to minus a. What am I going to do? For me to remove this negative sign here, this will go up to come down, right? So it's going to be y over what x, right? A. Can you see that? So the same here, the same thing will happen at this point. So for me to remove this minus sign here, what will happen here? I will reverse it. The denominator will go to the numerator, and numerator will come to the denominator, right? So this is what I'm going to get. I'm now going to have 81 over what 16. Then you have 3 over 4. I get. Now let me show you one trick here. This cannot go into this. Do you understand? But guess what? Now here we have 3 over 4. Now can you break one into 4? Remember 81 and what 16. Let's see if you can break it down to get power of 4. Do you get that? Remember 81 you go 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is what? Times 2 is what? 27 times 3 is 81. Do you understand? So it's going to be 3 raised by what? 4. What about 16? 16 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I did 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. 2 raised by what? 4. Do you understand? So that is the trick there. That is what is the trick. So yeah, we know that 81 is what? 3 raised by 4, 16, 2 raised by 4, right? So do what I'm going to do here. So now going to be 3 raised by 4 over 2 raised by 4. Here we have 3 over 4, right? Now they have the same power, right? Because they have the same power. Going to be 3 over 2 raised by what? 4. Can you see that? Times 3 over 4. Can you see that? So this we cancel out this guy here. What I'll be left is what I'll be left with is what? 3 over 2 raised to power 3. Do you understand? So what I'll be here is what? 3 raised to 3 over what? 2 raised to 3, right? So here we have 3 times 3, 3 times 3 times 3 over what? 2 times 2 times 2, right? So 3 times 6 times 0 is 20, what? 7 over what? 2 times 2 times, you go here, you go to give you 8. So this is not what the answer to this what question. So we have done for here. So how do we evaluate this guy? The last one that is left, how do we evaluate it? So let's evaluate this one here. This one is a little bit complex compared to the one we have done. So you want to pay close attention. So if we're evaluating this guy, here we have 2, 4, 5, P3, Q minus 2, Q raised by minus 2 over 5, P5, Q raised by minus 6. So how do we evaluation here? Now if you check very well, we have P, we have Q and Q, right? And we have this 2 here. So what do you do here? So what is to separate it? So if you should separate it here, remember this one is also the same thing as what? 1 over 2, right? It's also the same thing, right? So here we are going to have 2, 4, 5 over what? 5, right? Times P3 over what? P5 times Q minus 2 over what? Q minus 6. Can you see that? So this one is going to be more easier for us to evaluate this thing. Now going to be more easier for us to evaluate here. 245 divided by 5. What is your answer? So 245 divided by 5, here we have what? 49, right? Now, if you should have something like this, P raised by 3 over what p raised by what 5. Now let's solve this in here. Now remember it's going to be p raised by 3 divided by what p raised by what 5, right? Just so the division here, p is going to be 3 minus 5. P is going to be what? P minus 2. Do you understand? So if you evaluate this one here, p raised by 3, p raised by 5. You also say that p 3 divided by p raised by 5, right? So when you take the same, when you take the one of the base, subtract it together, here we have 2 minus 5, right? Here it's called division law. So here we have p raised by 2. So here we have p raised by minus 2. Just as so we have evaluated this one here. Now let's look at what the q. Let's look at what the q. If you look at the q here, q raised by minus 2 over what q raised by minus 6, right? It's not the same as what q raised by minus 2 divided by q raised by minus 6, right? Now you take one of the base q. Remember that you are subtracting them, right? It's going to be minus 2 minus 6. Can you see that? Hope you are following. So remember, just like when we did for this one here, p raised by 3 over p raised by 5, right? So we have p 3 divided by what p 5, right? Take the base, one of the base, p go to p 3 minus 5, go to be what p minus what p minus 2. Do you understand? The same thing here, q raised by minus 2 divided by q raised by minus 6, right? It's not the same thing here because we're in division. Do you understand? So it's going to be q raised by minus 2 divided by q raised by minus 6. Now remember, you're going to be minus 2 minus 6. Minus is what is plus. So here we have q raised by minus 2 plus 6, right? We're going to give what q raised by what 4. Q raised by 4. So here we have q raised by 4. Do you understand? Q raised by 4. Q raised by 4. So let me write this place out. So what do you want to do here? Now, if you check me very well, this is going to give us square roots, right? So you're going to be now. What is square root of 49? If you want to break it down, you want to break this down. How are you going to do it? So we want to break this down. Then remember, here is also what if you look at this is called product power law. Just product power law. So when you ask from the x y raised by 1 over 2, it's not the same as what x 1 half y what half. Do you understand? So if you should open the brackets, here we now have what 49 raised by 1 over 2 times p minus 2 raised by what 1 over 2 times q for raised by what 1 over 2. Do you understand? Now remember 49, the square root of 49 also says that 49 also says that 7 times 7, which is going to 49, that is 7 raised by 2, right? So from there you have what 7 raised by 2 1 over 2 times p minus 2 raised by 1 over 2 times q for raised by 1 over 2, right? Because this will cancel out this one here, this will cancel out this, and this will cancel out this here. Here we have 2. So it's going to be 7 times p raised by minus 1 times q raised by 2. So this is the answer. Do you understand? This is the answer. This is your answer. So what you want to do here is going to be 7 q raised by 2 over what p. This is not the complete answer here. So like what I said, it's going to be step by step. Step by what? Step by step in order for you to understand this here. But if you find value in this video here, please leave my comment section that you find value in this video. And if you understand what I've just done here, please make sure you leave a comment section that you follow this video. So make sure you leave a comment section that you follow this class. You get. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please endeavor you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you are not going to miss out every other content we drop on a constant basis that will help you cover your chemistry and physics and maths very fast. If you have not gotten our JAMB script code, please endeavor you get that JAMB script code for your personal study so I can get a playlist of our complete JAMB chemistry tutorial video that will be of help to you. Do you understand? So we also have other videos that you see on the screen. So make sure you go check out this video. See you in the next video.